Today I'm going to show you what a non-reversing mirror, sometimes also called a true mirror, looks like and how it works. Now, normally when you reflect text or an object in a mirror, you see its reflection. You're not seeing what it really looks like. All the text is backwards and practically unreadable. Have you ever wondered what it would be like if a mirror reflected what was actually what you saw? Well, you can't really achieve that effect with a standard mirror, where there's a gap between an object and its reflection. The reason for that is to build a true mirror, two mirrors have to come together at a right angle with no seam or a very minimal seam. That's crucial to creating the effect. So taking a front surface mirror and joining it with a frame or L bracket, as you can see, that will create your true mirror or non-reversing mirror effect. And there you have it. That's one of the powers of a first surface mirror. This is James from Optical Mirror. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe, click the dinger if you want notifications, and also leave me a comment below if you have any questions.